Hey, fellow explorers of the cosmos. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a virtual adventure unlike any other. We'll be delving into the awe-inspiring beauty of our home planet, Earth. And don't worry, I won't be showing my face, so you can focus entirely on the magnificent sights ahead. Our planet, often called the Blue Planet, is an enchanting mosaic of water bodies. From the vast oceans that cover more than 70% of its surface to the meandering rivers and glistening lakes, water is Earth's lifeblood, but Earth's wonders extend beyond its waters. Every corner of this globe tells a unique story. The dense jungles teem with life, deserts hold mysteries waiting to be unraveled, and the towering mountains touch the skies, reminding us of Earth's grandeur. Our planet's vibrant ecosystems are home to an astonishing array of wildlife. From the iconic predators prowling the savannas to the elusive creatures of the deep forests, Earth's biodiversity is a testament to its resilience. As much as we celebrate Earth's beauty, we must also acknowledge the impact of human activities. From bustling cities to the scars left by deforestation, our actions have shaped the planet's present and future. But fear not, for we hold the power to make a positive change. By protecting our environment, supporting sustainable practices, and advocating for conservation, we can ensure that future generations inherit a world as wondrous as the one we admire today. Now, I promise to guide you through some stock futures related to Earth's well-being. If you're looking to invest in the future of renewable energy, consider companies leading the way in solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. Also, keep an eye on sustainable agriculture and clean technology firms, as they play a crucial role in shaping a greener tomorrow. So, my fellow explorers, as we conclude this virtual journey through the wonders of our planet, remember that each of us can be a guardian of Earth's beauty. Though we may never see our own faces on this journey, our actions can reflect the brightest light on the only home we have. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep making a difference. If you really enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell icon to stay updated with more captivating content. Your support means a lot to me, and together, we can continue exploring the wonders of our world. Thank you for being a part of this incredible journey.